endurance, not a sprint. Let's bring it around this way, because there's gunfights over there. Good hustle? Good hustle. Easiest snatch and grab of our lives. Yellow, we have the case!
Oh, they're behind us.
Yellow, yellow, we have the case. Yellow, yellow, we have it, we have it.
Is that us?
Yeah, that's us. We have a whole blocking force over there, so.
Oh, are you taking it back, or are you going to?
Straight in and then over.
That's all of them. Yellow.
Nah, because we need to get it to South Bunker. No point in getting it caught at the trailhead.
Where are they at? Oh, let's just take the trail back.
No, because we don't need to get it back. We need to get it to their spawn.
Oh.
Or near their spawn.
We can't shoot with this is, right?
Nope. That's why we have our security.
Someone want an extra gun?
I mean, we can set it down. Yeah, let's go left. I'll follow you.
I'm walking here. I'm driving here. We're coming a little fast. Ooh, road bump there, everybody.
Except for the road bump.
That's skeleton. So, do we want to go far left towards the jet? Or just
we just need to cut straight through town. Hold. Hold it here because there's dead people. Let's secure this first. Here, move it back here so we can hide it. We're going to secure the crossing and then we'll cross into town.
They're back that way, so.
Hey, keep them busy on that side. We're going to secure a crossing.
They got it locked.
Okay. We're only allowed to walk, so. Keep it covered. Coming through.
You good?
Me? Catching my breath. How's the rest of town look?
Keep moving up.
Let's set it backside of Thunderdome.
Alright. Okay.
We're gonna go through Thunderdome.
Keep moving.
Bounding. Unknown.
11.
Hold here. Alright, y'all go ahead. Bound ahead.
Drop it. So
nope, we'll follow with them.
Alright.
Because we don't have enough of a team to secure this whole area. We'll just do site by site.
Can we get someone behind us? Just in case?
Yeah, you're rear guard. Hey, let's go through this door into Escher. This door into Escher. Hey, we're moving left.
Yellow's in here. We just went to left?
Yeah, go. We're good? Let's cross. Cross. Alright, set her down. Clear this up. Stay that way, they don't know we're here.
Right there, window.
Window, heard. Clear right. Everyone's a medic. Get him up. They're backside of 9. We might need to cross the street.
Watch that, right?
Do we want to cross the street? They're backside of 9.
Suppressing 3, 2, 1, go.
Ricochets, I wouldn't.
What?
There were ricochets coming through. Someone's shooting. Watch the right. Or the left.
Do we have people in the back? Or?
No, I don't think so. I don't think our team knows where we're at. Yo, window. Window. 3, 2, 1. Dude, they were scared shitless. You see that? They dove back into that room.
We got 2 in this Connex already in front of us.
Yeah. We need to clear them out of 9. Yeah, somebody run back and yell for reinforcements.
Do we still have the case?
It's right there. Hey, can you run out and tell the yellows to push through? We're clear across the road. Hey, do we want to cross? Hey, far side of the road is clear. Do we want to cross?
What's up?
Other side of the road is totally empty. Do we want to cross?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright, go out this back door. You
Hey,
cover.
yellow! Come here. Let's go. We're moving to check. Where are we going to?
No, crossing straight.
They could see.
Hey, crossing. Go. Made it.
You want to set it down so we can check this?
Yep, let's check this.
Alright.
Yellow.
Yellow! No.
Yellow. Clear. Yellow. All clear. Is this one clear?
Not clear.
Alright, y'all carrying? Alright, we're screening.
Left side.
Hey, yellow, move
Left
up!
side, heard.
Yellow up, please! Whatever the hell yellow is in front of him.
Cross, cross, cross.
I want to go, come on, man.
Cross, cross, I'll be last man. Go. Last man moving. Dude, this is clean.
Blue or yellow? I can tell someone in that Connex. There's 2 guys with wings right there. I can't tell if it's blue or yellow.
I'm gonna go around him on the left. I'm going around him. They're yellow, they're yellow. They're yellow. Confirmed, they're yellow. Now, let's keep going, let's keep going. Blue on the bunker, on the bunker.
Blue on bunker, eye.
Let's move this to 6. Blue's coming in from the right. I know. Hey, on the opposite you, opposite you.
Covering.
One of them wasn't calling it, so I lit him up. You're clear, you're clear. I know. I was shooting him.
How do we get out of here? Ready? Ready, cover. Covering up to site 3. Site 3. Connex 3.
Go to 6. Go to 6.
6 eye.
Toss it right.
Hey!
I'll get you in a second. Cover, cover, cover.
Pull in.
Come on, come on. They know we're here now.
They're in the woods.
Cover that.
Yeah.
They are not in the woods yet. We have friendlies
We
in the
got
woods.
one.
We have friendlies in the woods. Left side. Door. Hit. Hit.
Damn.
Where did my dead rag go?
I don't know.
There it is. Just couldn't feel it. That was a good counterattack from them.
Yeah. That was pretty good.
We need to get the rest of our team over here. I'm tempted to go walk just to alert them. Keep the gun up, keep the gun up. Left. I need to stop giving call outs. I'm dead, huh?
You want to call it a trade? I didn't feel it.
Alright. He wasn't even looking at you, so I don't know. Was there another guy? Was there another one over there? Oh, there was another one. Okay.
They're walking.
Yeah, okay, there was three. I saw two, and neither of them were looking this way. But
That's all of them.
there was all of them, so never mind.
I only got two.
Yeah, they did.
I have like...
That's why they counterattacked like that. Yellow medic!
Yellow medic!
Yellow medic!
Yellow med. Med. Yellow med.
Yeah.
I got him. Do you want to watch? Yeah. You don't want to try to get this crate out of sight?
Well, they already know it's here, but yeah.
Cover, cover. Get the front. My fault.
You're good. I don't care. They're combat boots. I don't care. Yellow across the street.
Yellow, yellow.
There's a dead yellow around this corner.
Dead yellow?
We
We
got
got
yellow
yellow on the left side, far left, too.
He's on the next Connex.
Is he in line of fire?
Is he clear? Heard. Bunker. Bunker. Hey, you grab him. I'm gonna cover right. Grab him
ready?
back. Okay.
Mark on 3.
Hold. We're grabbing a guy.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, move.
Drag him.
Cover, cover.
Those guys didn't know we were here before we started shooting. All right. Hey, we can move up to the Russians. We want to move up to the Russians.
Hold up. Well, we're about to get swung.
We need to move. We need to move.
They have to go over the bridge unless they push back.
All right, let's get it. You want to carry with me?
Yep.
Hey, is he getting revived? He is. Okay.
All right.
Ready?
Ready?
We got the case. We ready?
All right, we got an...
Hey, you got a guy on the container. Other
Upper
side.
man.
Hold.
Watch this
You want to
side.
take it?
No, we're waiting because they're shooting.
I'm just putting it down so I can shoot.
Hey, watch our back. Watch our back.
Road. That's nice. That would be nice.
Road.
Let's move this straight. Let's move this straight. Let's get this fucking trigger to that. Let's move it.
Get it.
Y'all got it?
Lifting. Cover. Tell when. Behind the Connex. Behind the gray Connex. Okay. There's a flag over by the bunker.
How far can I go
Ready?
into the woods?
No, he got shot. He got shot.
How far can I go back?
You can go all the way. Go all the way around.
Want to go? Come here. We're going flying.
We need the rest of our team up here.
Alright, we need like 3 more guys.
We need a lot more than 3. Hey, come on.
He's got some blue dude right in the hand.
Nice. Good shooting.
They're across the connectors over there.
Yeah.
Connected across.
Well, I got
Alright, hey, if we're... Yo, y'all, if we're holding right here, I'm gonna take that window.
Go for it.
Notify me before we move, though.
What's the plan?
Are y'all all dead? Revive each other, revive. Hey. The case is right here. Blue. Dead man, take a knee. Dead man, take a knee. Blue guy, you're hit. They're across the road. Oh, hit. Good shooting. Good shooting. Hit. Hit. Jesus. I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna walk. I'm walking. I'm gonna bring the rest of the team, hopefully, but if y'all want to, come with. Alright, I'm gonna start. Dead man coming out, dead man coming out, dead man coming out. Put your dead rag on. Put your dead rag on.
I didn't expect them to be on that damn floor.
I know. I'm about to kill them, though. Oh, nope. They stopped peeking. They're cowards. Hit! Good shit. Good move. To me. Come on, cross. They've seen us. Yeah, they've seen. They don't have that range though. Just go, go.
Inside. They just crossed it.
Yellow, yellow, yellow. Hey, backside 15, south side 15. South side 15, south side 15. Yellow, 15 clear. 15 is clear. Yellow. Yellow, yellow. No, I'm strobing in here. Yellow, yellow. 15 clear. Reinforcements have arrived, folks. I finally convinced the team to come up this way.
I blasted the marshal right in the face by accident.
I'm a shot. At least a shot. If you would have pushed me, we would have had that.
Yeah.
We had 3 people stacked up on him, knocked half on that.
How's it going? Okay. Oh boy, okay. Hit!
Alright. Oh, hit.
Ah! Ow! Ow! That would have hurt.
Was that your doing? I don't think it was.
Oh my word!
Really? We have 4 minutes?
We have like 4 minutes.
Oh shit. Hey, get inside, get inside.
Hey!
No?
We have to push.
No?
Hey, we're all dead. We're all dead. We're all dead.
Shoot him.
Yeah.
Don't announce all dead. When there's this many people, don't announce all dead.
Yeah,
Because you don't know.
Walk back, Bryson.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you're dead.
Anyone alive? I am.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I thought we were all dead.
Yeah, that's why I say don't announce
I'm
it.
so sorry.
Hey, dead people don't talk stuff. I'm questioning some of the hit calling from those windows, but I'm second guessing some of the hit calling I saw in those windows, but it is what it is.
What? That's awesome.
I know. But with 5 guns, yeah, oh yeah, it's a cold weather thing for sure. I really wish I could talk right now.
Are you dead? Are you dead?
Oh my god, no. That's what I was nodding at. That's why I was shaking my head no.
Damn.
Yep. I already had my safety off and everything. I was ready. Yeah, we only have, what, 3 minutes or something like that?
5 minutes remaining. 5 minutes.
Oh, never mind.
We're not getting revived. We might as well walk. Yeah, I'm walking.
Don't say it. Oh my god. Okay. You're still up, right? Shoot him. Shoot him. Doesn't matter, you got shot. I'm brown. I'm yellow. I wish I could say something right now. Hey. Tell me when. Oh my goodness. You're seeing this, right? You're seeing what's occurring right now? Okay.
Was that all listening?
No. I have no. They didn't shoot us at all. I didn't hear a single shot. What team? Okay. Oh, it alternated, but there was always somebody. That's why I was like, are you seeing what happened right now? Because your whole team walked by, none of them checked. There was 3 people with no dead rags on. They walked right by. I wish they had actually shot us. That would have been so much better. So that's good. Did he hit me?
Yeah, trade.
Okay. Hey, good trade. Good trade. Trade? Okay. I'm like, he might have clipped a pouch. Yeah. Okay.
I saw BB's bounce off of both of y'all.
Okay. I'm like, I didn't feel it, but this pouch is stupid, so it is what it is. Medic? Hey, they took the box. They're going that way. They took the box. They're around Peanut Pond.
Well, I shot the Were they jet?
Maybe. I don't know, but they took it that way. They went right past us.
Oh, yellow.
Yellow. Yellow. Deconflict, y'all. Hey, they took the box that way. They took the box that way.
Then let's go through town.
Yo, on the... Gotta changing.
Right here.
Not calling it.
I'm gonna throw a grenade.
I have a grenade.
I'm not gonna ask you.
Hey, watch the right. Do it.
Whoa.
Do it. I'm failing to shoot, but shielding right now. So
I got a bill pop up. Mags aren't feeding right. Blue right there. Huh?
What are you mad about?
I was dead.
Okay.
He just came in and killed me. But yeah, what I'm talking about. He got shot. Didn't know where it came from. And said, I guess it doesn't count, and kept walking. That's not how that works. Cool. I could told you.
All right. Get inside. We almost had y'all. Man, we got that box so far before y'all even knew we had moved it. Like, if we had just pushed, we would have had y'all. Oh,
We rallied at the last second.
Mm-hmm. Well, once I started seeing multicams show up to fight us, I'm like, okay, now the team knows where we're at. We're screwed.
Yeah, dude, we needed a soldier, not a guy with a DMR.